Hi there. Finding the 5 best pressure washer for home use worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is the Sun Joe Electric High Pressure Washer. Electric power washers are easier to maintain with no oil changes necessary, but the downside is you have to be in close proximity to an electrical outlet. One of the most highly rated electric models today is the Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer, which delivers 2,030 pounds per square inch at 1.76 GPM. This affordable unit is equipped with dual detergent tanks, and it comes with 5 quick connect spray tips to help you tackle all sorts of cleaning tasks. Our tester noted that it took around 30 minutes to assemble the pressure washer, but once put together it is very easy to use, and maneuvers well on its oversized wheels even across grass or uneven ground. You can store 2 different types of detergent in the dual chambers, switching between them with a selection dial. This versatile power washer can be used for a variety of easy and tough tasks all around the exterior of your home. Number 2. Our second best pick is Champion Power Equipment Pressure Washer. For washing driveways and other surfaces that require serious power, you need a model like the Champion Power Equipment Commercial Duty Gas Pressure Washer. While not everyone needs such a high level of performance, for those who do, it's hard to beat this professional level machine. With water blasting out at 4,200 pounds per square inch and 4 GPM thanks to the premium Champion 389cc engine, mud, engine grease, paint, mold, and other tough substances don't stand a chance. The pressure washer boasts a 50-foot steel braided hose that's durable, non-marring, and 3 times more abrasion resistant than rubber hoses. Plus, it has a built-in detergent tank for messes that call for more than water alone. The solid steel frame will hold up to years of rigorous use. This pressure washer was designed for professional contractors and cleaners who face every manner of grunge and want it gone as quickly as possible. Despite its heavy-duty construction and power, it's reasonably compact and easy to transport. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ryobi Electric Pressure Washer. Pressure washers can easily weigh 50 pounds or more, so if you're looking for a product that's a bit lighter to carry around your yard, you'll like the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. This smaller unit from Ryobi weighs just 16 pounds, and it's compact enough to store in even the most crowded garage or tool shed, a fact much appreciated by our product tester, who used this machine to clean several areas around her home, including siding, outdoor furniture, and a concrete patio and driveway. Plus, assembly is quick and easy. This 1,600 pounds per square inch electric power washer uses 1.2 GPM, and it has a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose. It includes 3 different nozzles, including a turbo nozzle for fast cleaning. And despite its compact size, it's surprisingly powerful, although our tester noted it's best for washing objects that aren't up too high, such as second-story siding. It's great for cars, walkways, lawn tools, patio furniture, and first-story siding, however. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SIMPSON Cleaning Gas Pressure Washer. One of the best pressure washers on the market is the SIMPSON Cleaning Mega Shot Gas Pressure Washer. This powerful machine houses a Honda GC190 engine for reliable power, and it delivers a whopping 3,200 pounds per square inch using 2.5 gallons per minute, making it ideal for use on your house, driveway, patio furniture, car, painted surfaces, and more. Our tester used the pressure washer to clean several areas around her home, including a deck, grill, driveway, and ATV, noting that the device is so powerful, it makes quick work of washing away all sorts of grime, but requires care when hosing down delicate surfaces such as old wood or siding. The Mega Shot is equipped with a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, a reliable OEM axial pump, and an ergonomic spray gun. And it includes 5 stainless steel quick connect nozzles for a variety of applications. This reliable, sturdy, and powerful gas-powered pressure washer is easy to set up and start. Our tester commented that it took only 15 minutes to have the machine assembled and ready for use. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Generac Residential Pressure Washer. This Generac is classified as a residential pressure washer. But it's a different category of machine, closer to the commercial end of the spectrum. Pick up the spray wand on this thing, and that becomes clear very quickly. The big engine and equally large horizontal shaft pump have more than enough oomph to tackle tough cleaning jobs. We also like the thermal relief valve that discharges water from the pump after 3 to 5 minutes of the spray wand not being used. We blasted clean a portico by holding the spray wand at about 45 degrees and, as we walked forward, the combined blast or air and water simultaneously cleaned the brick surface and blasted out loose debris like sand and leaves. Not everybody needs that much cleaning power, but it's good to know that it's there if you need it. Its only demerit was typical of pressure washers, and that is the poorly designed holder for hanging the spray wand. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.